Have you ever wondered how some channels manage to get thousands of views and subscribers but only have a few videos? In this video, we dive deep into the world of making money on YouTube without revealing our faces. Get ready for a thrilling journey into the realm of anonymous success.
Oh hey! Before we continue, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our notifications. Let's continue.
First up, you will need to find and pick a niche that's growing rapidly on YouTube. Something that will interest both you, but more importantly, the viewer. It's important that you move from the mindset of being a viewer and switch it to being the creator. Remember, finding a niche that excites you will keep you motivated and help you build a loyal audience. Next up, engage. Engagement is the key to success. Interact with your audience, reply to comments, and create a community around your channel. The more you connect with your viewers, the more they'll support you and boost your channel's growth. Remember to be genuine and authentic. Show your viewers that you value their input, and they'll become your biggest cheerleaders. Monetize. Okay, time to get down to the money-making business. To turn your YouTube channel into a cash cow, you need to monetize your content. YouTube offers various monetization methods, such as running ads on your videos, collaborating with sponsors, selling your own merchandise, or offering exclusive memberships. Explore these opportunities and choose what works best for you. Next, optimize. Pay close attention, fellow YouTubers, because this tip is pure gold. Optimize your videos for search and discoverability. Use catchy titles, relevant keywords, and eye-catching thumbnails to attract more views and subscribers. Remember, the more eyes you get on your videos, the more potential revenue you'll generate. You now possess the keys to unlock the YouTube gold mine. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with passion, persistence, and these money-making strategies, you're well on your way. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and smash that notification bell so you never miss a treasure trove of YouTube tips and tricks. Until next time, happy money making!